everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it's the YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly Collabs. This week the host is My Nail Designs and the theme is surfing. So I'm going to be doing a surfing nail design today. I was kind of trying to search through my plates to see if I actually had anything with a surfer on it, and I did find one, so we are going to be using that one today. So I'm going to share with you everything that I am going to be using, and we're going to go get straight into the video. So I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video like always, and I will have their links down below in the description box. If you are coming over from their channel, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and I hope that you will subscribe if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what my nails currently look like. So this is a gel polish. So I used Born Pretty Store's color coat, and this one is called Destin Fairy. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's very glittery. That's what's on my nails right now. And the base coat I used is Bio Seaweeds Gel, and this is the No Sanding base coat. And then I used their top coat as well, so this is the No Wipe top coat. So these are both LED polishes, so that is what's on my nails currently. And then for stamping, I'm going to be using this Born Pretty Store stamping polish. I think it's called Pure. I lost a little sticker on the bottom. Sorry about that. Oops. And then I'm also going to use this one, and this one is called White Night Series, and this one, oh, this is Pure. That one, I don't remember what the name is. Sorry, guys. But yeah, those two polishes to stamp with. And then I am going to be using, this is Muy London, and this is the Sailor Collection number 18. And then I'm also going to use this Born Pretty Store plate, and this is a BPL0117. I've had this one for a long time, so I'm hoping that you can still get it. I'm not really sure, but we're going to go ahead and get into it. So we're going to do a bunch of double stamping. So I'm going to be using the white first, and then I'm going to use the silver. So I've got my clear stamper here. So I'm just going to do this image right here. It says "See You." Just gonna try it again with this one. Alright. Next we're gonna do those little bubbles, and I think we'll do the silver first. And now we'll do them with the white. And I'm going to do these little fish, but I'm going to do them in white first. And now we'll take the silver. Alright, now we're going to do those waves. So I'll do silver first. And then we'll take the white. Alright, and same waves, but I'm going to use the bottom one. Alright, finally we're getting our surfer. I know you guys are probably wondering, where is the surfer and the surfing mani? But I kind of thought like doing surfing things, like you have bubbles, you have fish, you have waves, all that's to do with surfing. So that's kind of where my thought went. We're going to do this guy right here. I hope he works. Alright, to make him stand out a bit, I think I'm going to use this Hit the Bottle, and this is Copper Haired Girl. We're going to try it, see what it looks like. Oops. Actually, not bad. Alright, so I'm just going to clean up and do my top coat, and I'll be back. Alright, that is the finished nail design. I hope you guys like it. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.